Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, rear wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, traction control. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.